This is going to be an unboxing of the Gundam AX Anime Expo VIP event, and this is the get back that you get at the end when you leave. So just wanted to show everybody what is actually in here. This is the bag. It's kind of like this blue velvet material. It's actually very nice with a reflective kind of like lettering on it. You do get a poster with this. I'll show you this later. Get a little drawstring bag, which is pretty nice. And now into the actual cool stuff in here. So we have a wide variety of models, more models. As you can see, this one is not a retail package gum floss, so it is not for sale. Oh, nice toy, Gundam Infinity. We have another little kit there, little toy, some stickers. 3D lamp. So I guess you stick this up and it has some LEDs and it lights up. What else? We have a Gundam AX mug. Looks like they kind of messed up on the printing on this edge, but it's fine. Oh geez. Hamburger like stress toy. Oh, a nice mug or portable travel mug thing. A fan. Oh, this is for the new Gundam Evolution game that's coming out. So it's a fan. And this is a straw for that.